Okay guys, we got this Lincoln MKX right here. They complained that I guess it would die all the time. They said they put a new mass airflow sensor in. I don't know if I trust it. I don't know whose it is. If it's a dealer one, doesn't look like one. But you can hear this purge valve clicking right now, right? So you can hear that clicking. And watch this. Let's see. Purge valve, 17% duty cycle, right? Vent valve is not being pulsed. Look at our fuel tank pressure. Oops, let me graph this. Let's record this. We'll graph this. And you'll see this will keep going into a vacuum. And then the vent valve will actually be commanded. Eventually. So I don't know what normal vacuum is, but like look at that. I don't know why it didn't show the vent valve. But you hear how it's like stalling now? Let's see, what's it commanding? See, our fuel trims went normal. Now they're gonna start probably adding fuel again. Look at our, watch our short term. Let's see what our duty cycle was here. So you can see there it went to 0. So there, fuel trim, we're adding 5. This car will set lean and rich codes. Look at our fuel tank pressure. Look now, look at our fuel trims. There's our problem right there, negative. I'll show you the codes that they sent me because I tried scanning the car and they didn't have it. But you can hear or see, let's see, what's it commanding right now? No purge, no clicking from our valve. So our valve right there is not clicking. I want to see if it'll do it again. Well, look at our fuel trims. We're adding 30% on both banks, and we're subtracting 10 up here on both banks. So that's about 20% it's adding total. Let me see if it'll command this. Unless maybe now it's in like a default strategy. Let me try cycling this key real quick. There we go. Fuel trims are back to normal. I wonder if this is... So this is stuck open right now. Hear that? This valve. You can hear me putting my finger over it. Oops. Oh, did it close? It closed now. So now it's open again. So you put this back on. But this valve is messed up. See, we're at 14%. Fuel trims are normal. But listen how loud that is. Where's our... See our vacuum getting pulled down again? And then it stops. Oh, that might be when it's stuck open. Let's see, is it commanding purge? No purge? But listen to that. See, it's stuck open. And I want to show you guys something else too. I noticed. So that's our problem right there. That's what's causing our codes. It makes all our oxygen sensors go lean when it does that. No codes right there. But I want to show you guys this bidirectional test. So if I go into active tests. So if we go to canister. So we're at 15%. We go to 25. Hear how it's stuck? Now we go down to 15. It's no longer pulsing. And we go down to 0. So we're at 0 right now. It's stuck open. So if we increase this, you hear that? And then if you go to 30, see that? It gets stuck. 40, 50, 60, it's not changing. It should be going faster and faster. So we got a bad purge, guys. So there you go. So we go back down. So I hope you guys like this one. This was a quick one. See you guys later.